Alright, last final check. This will be the last video on this computer. It is going to be put, well, I'll show you, but first I want to show you what Wintermute helped me figure out. I'm sure I would have figured it out eventually, but is that kind of how you're talking, Wintermute? This connector here? Because that's how it's connected. So we're going to leave that right there. The PWM to this side is connected to the System Fan 1, I believe, so I'll have to control that in Smart Fan control. These fans, I think, are at full ramp on System Fan 1, so I'll have to slow them down unless the PWM slows them down, but I don't know. But that's how I have it connected, Wintermute. So, and I gotta look in the manual, 'cause I can't find it. I can't find whether or not it just freaks me out when it does that. When it, I don't know why it clicks like that. Oh, looky there, all 6 fans are running. And we have desktop. And of course it wants me to do the App Center. I'm going to cancel. I don't know, I might do that later. So that's it. That is the last video you're going to see on this computer. It is alive and well. Yeah, it's doing just fine. I want to slow down the CPU fan down just a smidge. This I'll take care of later on. Later on, maybe today, maybe tonight, I don't know, but I'll take care of that. The cable management, you guys don't need to watch that. I'm gonna just I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna show you another interesting issue that I haven't quite figured out yet. So there it is, all running right there. I hear a fan that's running a little, like a bearing's going out. What's this bottom one? But again, thank you to everyone that helped me. It's been an experience. I've never dealt with no, you're not going to be able to see me, so screw it. Put you back over here. I've just never dealt with fully modular power supplies and this kind of arrangement in this 5000D case. But I'm gonna enjoy it. This is gonna be it's gonna be like I said, it's for streaming. It's not gonna have anything with Microsoft on it. No email, no nothing. It's just gonna be Zoom, YouTube, that kind of stuff. OBS too. I'll have that on there. So so yeah, that is it, folks. It has been an experience that I'm gonna remember this one. This one definitely was a challenge, but you know, like I said, I told Wintermute in the reply, I said I took notes. I'm gonna remember how things like this are built from now on. I've done a semi-modular power supply. That was self-explanatory. That was self-explanatory. USB-C. Oh, that's what I was going to look for. Shoot. Where is my, well, back to that RTFM. One last thing I need to check and see if I can, the manual. I'm looking for the manual. Oh, we're going to see if this does have USB-C. Kinda have a feeling it does not. But, and it does not. I'm looking here in the manual on the side. There's just no USB-C. USB 2. Got that one. TPM. Q-Flash Plus is on the motherboard. Clear CMOS button is on the motherboard. System fan 1, 2, and 3. System what? No, never mind. It all works. It's nice and quiet, but I'm just wondering why they're saying. Oh, okay. When's all these? That's what that is. System fan 1 for 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how that works. Oh, yeah, I need to figure that out. The LED and the power button, I remember, is not working, so let's venture into that. Figure out why. You gonna stay? Oh. That's funny. That's funny. It's weird. like that. I might have to. I'm not gonna do it by just blindly looking in there, so. Front USB, top it off. Wait just a minute, folks. Where is my power LED? I think I might have figured it out. I didn't have a connection in there connected right. That's what it was. Always good to check your cabling. Sometimes you just do it wrong. Going one way. Can that only go in one way? Working like it's not plugged in all the way, but yes it is. Alright. Plug it back in. Or hopefully the last time, because I'd like to actually go watch a movie or something and probably lay down and fall asleep. Look at this. Can't see him, but light. There are cable straps for cable management. I'll use those. I think I got it. 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 And there you go. No, if USB-C, that's okay. I don't. You're gonna bug me. One of these fans is kind of noisy. Plenty of airflow. show you something here. Not the best airflow, but it is in front. Yeah, it'll work. It's good airflow, so that's it, folks. That's the end of it. I'm going to fight and get the side panels on. I've tried that before. I can get the other ones on, but this glass panel, I tell you, it's a... We'll leave it at that. Alright, I'm gonna go. Ken, I'll see you. I don't know if you'll see me tonight. If I fall asleep and, you know, around 8:30 or 9, I'm not gonna try to stay up. I got about 3 hours of sleep last night. I just couldn't sleep. I think the Mountain Dew had an effect on me that I wasn't expecting, and that doesn't happen too often. And then my back started bothering me, so I don't know. I was up this morning, and anyhow, I'll see you guys later tonight, maybe, but don't count on it. I don't know. I'll see. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye for now.